I don't know. I don't know where Yuchin is, but we can start, and then if she comes, then she'll join us. But I think we can have like a discussion here. Okay. So before we begin, because today's topic is more about the environment, what do you think about the environment? Do you think you're an activist, like you actually care about it, and you will tell people to turn off the lights, to remember to use chopsticks and bring your own chopsticks and utensils, or what type of do you think role that you're playing?
Sorry. Do you talk about what plan?
Yeah, so I'm talking do you think you are someone who really cares about the environment? Like, do you recycle all the time? Do you really care? Or do you just think that, oh, nothing to do with me, or someone else will recycle, or like things like that? So everyone has like a different mentality about the environment. So for example, I think it was since I started swimming, I'm more cautious of the environment. And the reason for that is because if there's garbage in the water, for us it's very very annoying, and we don't like it because you don't want to be surfing and then there's garbage, right? So when me and my friends see garbage, we would just go pick it up and then maybe put it like in our wetsuit, or try to like put it somewhere or take it onto shore so that it's not in the water. So we would go help and do some beach cleanups. That's something that I think, because of surfing, I'm more aware of the environment and I want to keep it clean. I guess it's more of like because you don't want to be surfing with garbage, right? So I don't know if it's I know because surfing is a sport that is very connected to nature, but not everyone surfs, right? So maybe you have a different perspective.
Okay, I feel even I feel environment is so important things for our life. But sometimes when do is cycle things is not convenient. I'm so lazy to do about it.
Okay. Yuqing, what about you? What do you think about, like, are you like always environmentally friendly? Like, do you really care? Or do you think that, oh, like I will recycle when I want to. I don't really bring my own chopsticks or utensils. What do you think about that?
I think I care about environment, but I don't really bring my own chopstick, but I try to not have take out before. And I also bring my own shopping bags. Yeah.
Okay, bring your shopping bags. Pretty good. Okay, can you read about the scientists make biodegradable plastic? Yuqing, can you read about this?
The paragraph.
Yeah.
Plastic has been a blight on the landscape and a deadly threat to wildlife for decades. Environmentalists have issued many pleas for us to reduce the amount of plastic we use or switch to biodegradable alternatives. One solution to this problem may be at hand. Scientists have developed a form of biodegradable plastic. This means that the billions of plastic bags, cups, straws, and utensils that we dispose of each day could be compostable. They could decompose and break down as naturally as organic waste.
Okay. So what do you think about the use of plastic? Can you name a couple of items that are made of plastic that people use a lot and you think that people shouldn't or can use something else?
I think most of people use is plastic bag and plastic cup.
Plastic cup?
Yeah, and straws.
Okay.
And these three are need to be stopped to use.
Okay.
I think these three is the important plastic products that people should stop to use them.
Okay. Chopper, what about you? What do you think about this?
I think about use plastic is a convenient thing because many items in the world are well made of plastic. Yeah. But many straws are used used could people used it like okay, a couple of items like rainwell or straws or plastic wrap examples 3 items.
Okay. Plastic wraps. Okay, so plastic wraps for what? You mean like candy or things like that, or what?
People enjoy the plastic is convenient, but but items made of plastic will affect worldwide.
Worldwide. Okay, it will affect worldwide. Okay. So what could we use instead of plastic for these things? If you're talking about bags, straws, and these utensils or things that we use to eat. Eugene, what do you think?
We could use paper straws or bring our own utensils that we can wash them.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. That's good. What about like bags and straws?
Bags like for me, I always bring a big packed bag. So I don't really use plastic bags.
You don't
sometimes I bring the bags that's made of fabric.
Oh, okay, made of fabric. Okay, it's easier then.
Yeah. And you can use it not again and again.
Okay, right. So you can use it again and again, right? It's
Yeah.
reusable. Okay, Chopper, how do you feel when you see plastic waste in the countryside? So it's like you go and visit a place and you see them. What do you think?
I think plastic will affect the countryside landscape.
Okay.
Yes. Let people let people feel so ugly or dirty.
Oh, so dirty. Okay, make people think they're dirty. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so how can we get the government to focus on reducing plastic use? Eugene, what are some of your ideas?
I think people could join the organization which is for like protect environment, and some organization they hold lots of events about environment, and this kind of event sometimes are focused by government and other people.
Okay. So that they should be more active.
Yeah, maybe the citizens need to be more care about environment, and the government will care about it because of citizens.
Okay, so they should care about it more. You think?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, what do you think we can do to reduce plastic waste in general? Chopper, what do you think that we can do? And should we pay a big tax for products that are made from plastic to prevent this? Do you think that would work? What do you think?
I think we can use more recycle items in our life. Example, paper straws or drinks bag, or in environment bags. Yeah, I think we must pay more tax for products made of plastic.
We should.
Yeah, because it's a it's a plan. It's quickly plan.
Okay, it's a quick plan.
Quick plan to reduce plastic products by the government. Yeah.
Okay, Yuqing, what do you think?
I agree with Chopper that we should prepare some reuse products instead of plastic products. And we also could less buy the online shopping less, because when you do online shopping, there are like Amazon, they always packing the product. So we need to reduce shopping, and we also need to buy clothes less.
Okay, buy less clothes.
Buy less clothes.
Okay, so over packaging, right? I think in Japan, there's a lot of over packaging. Wherever I think I buy their snacks, it feels like there's package after package after package.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely something that can be improved. Great. Okay. Let's move on to the role play. Okay. So here, Clothing. I think I'll give Eugene this one. Clothing. You think that clothing is top of the list, never to throw away. Okay, so you guys have to tell each other 3 reasons why it's okay to throw away their things. So Chopper, you're gonna get electronics. Okay, that's talking about laptops and cell phones. You think that these should be on the top of the list to never throw away, and you got to tell us about 3 reasons why. Okay, I think we'll do these 2 for now, and then so you guys can think about why. Okay, and then we'll start the role play in a minute. Okay, so let's come back to the classroom after a minute break, and then we can discuss. Okay.
Okay.